Why? Well, what's up, guys? Today, again, it's me and Leah. Today, we're doing a slime review.
Very fun.
Now, also, we did these may look the same from our video a couple of, like, an hour ago, but these just literally came to our house. Like, the slimes right there and there. Oh, and that putty. Snap, I forgot to sell the putty. We also bought that off the dark web. Here's that. Now, okay, we're going to crack into our first two putties.
Yeah, I come closer.
We haven't played with that one. Try to see how it feels. It's not that stretchy, and I actually did play with another one like that. My friend house one, another friend, and it was nasty. Honestly, they're not that fun to play with. Is it stretchy? Yes or no? Okay, we'll give it that. Let's put it away. Onto the purple leg. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, this one is changing color slime, actually. Or, quick, it was slime. I bought it off of the Amazon set.
I did.
Well, yeah, I forgot. Sorry, check out. Ha 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 ha. Now, how fun is that one?
Very fun.
Okay, let's move on to our blue slime. You can have it if you give me the blue slime. Deal.
Maybe.
Okay.
So next one is. Oh, just do this one. It has a weird smell to it.
It does smell like vinegar. Our older one didn't smell like vinegar. But this one that literally just came to the doorstep smells like vinegar. The box was contaminated. It smelled like vinegar.
Stay back here.
So, everybody, that concludes our blue slime. Now, moving on to our twin slimes, which we actually were going to split that one because you got one for me. Look at her face, look at her face. Look at her face, though. You got a stack going. Hey, hey, hey. Wait, did you put them together?
Yeah, I'll put that up.
Okay.
I'd say this one's very fun.
Yeah, it is one great slime. Let's move on to the new one that we just bought, too. That one's the best. It's really watery. The purple. Big purple.
Yeah.
That one you gotta be careful with because it's like, yeah.
I like this one. I can stick my fingers to it and like be on the table.
It's really fun to play with that one. And it's, how would you describe it? Watery, kinda?
If you look at the table, it's like it turns blue.
I think that one had a speck of glitter in it.
Probably does.
Oh. It had these bag slimes that were pretty good. Oh yeah, it came in a box like this. We have all of our other slimy ingredients in there. Now moving on to
Yeah, if you rip it and then crunch it, you can hear it crunch and the bubbles pop. So the next, we have 3 more slimes to go. And then I get to say which one's my favorite. So then we're going to have this one. I'm going to add this one to be floating. Okay.
so moving on to the next one.
What was that?
I think that was really nice.
Camera dress.
Oh God, it was Bristol.
LOL.
Laugh out loud, Bristol.
I think he fell. Or at least he hit his head. Oh, he's underneath the porch. This one actually crunches.
Yeah, that one crunches.
And butterflies fell out. This one was actually $3.
Well, yeah.
So we're gonna go over how much everything was. So these two were from the last slime video that we did, and someone didn't inform me to slide them on my table. So we're gonna tell you how much all these were. So this was $5, which is totally not worth it because it stinks so badly.
These, well, that one and this one, they were each $1. And for what you get, it's plenty, but yeah, it's fun.
Okay, so this one was $3.
And for what you get, that is a good deal.
Yeah. The purple one was 50 cents.
Oh yeah, that's
These two
good.
together were $3, $1.50 each. And this one was $2, which I don't think was really worth it, but
Yeah.
it was okay. As you can see, my cameraman right now is playing with slime too.
Yeah.
So that's all for today.
Guys, I'm playing with slime. See? Johnny love him some slime. If I can get my,
back around.
if I can get my camera straight, okay, I'll turn it
That's
back
why you
around.
turn it around.
Hey guys, what's up today? It's Johnny. Bye.
I'm showing the cat.
Yeah, that's our cool cat.
His name is Kitty.
Oh yeah, Kitty, what's up, boy? Mr.
7
Swag.
years old. and likes his belly
Mr. Swag. Mr. Swags. Hey,
He's 7 years old and likes his
hey, hey, hey. Hi, hi. Hold on. Now guys, as you see.
Oh really? You just want to get it back in your chair, do you?
Gotta have my chair. Well guys, you see this slide? Really? Can't do swirly with it, but
You can, but you're just not doing it right.
it's just not gonna do it right. I'd recommend getting the butterfly charms out.
The other dog over there.
Now this one's my favorite. Which one is your favorite?